This is a quick unboxing and a first look at the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I will also be doing an in-depth review for this phone in the near future, so keep an eye out if you're interested. In this review, I will be looking at unboxing, first impressions based on my first 12 hours with this phone, and then some sample photos and videos. I have included video timestamps to help you jump between sections if needed. The phone is packed in an extremely minimal, compact black thick cardboard box with the seals at the back. I just love how minimal it is. Apple is really trying to live up to its focus on sustainability by compacting the packaging to reduce the materials used and overall carbon footprint in transportation. To open, just break the seal and the cover comes right off. If you've ever worked in packaging design, you know that requires a lot of work. I love how this extreme attention to detail is so effortlessly built into Apple products. So, in the box we get the phone with the widescreen card, all new USB-C lightning cable, a small white paper envelope including the SIM ejection tool, Apple sticker, and an information leaflet. That's all. There is no charger inside, which is great from an environmental point of view, but for me, not so much as this is my first ever iPhone. So I had to buy a new 20-watt charger separately. Luckily, it was on offer when bought with the phone for only about £9. I think the phone looks really beautiful and feels quite solid to hold in one's hand. The grip is surprisingly not slippery. The phone's core is made of surgical grade steel. The back has a textured matte glass and the screen is covered with a ceramic shield for strength. On the back you have three cameras which are 13mm, 26mm and 77mm full frame equivalent, along with a LiDAR scanner to ensure accurate depth of field when shooting photos and videos. LiDAR is one of the primary technologies used for the all-new cinematic mode. One gripe I have with this design is the protruded cameras at the back. This basically means that the phone can never sit flat on the table and wobbles if you try to use it. But again, if you have an iPhone already, this is not news for you. For this reason, my phone will definitely sit in a case. When I got the phone, it was at about 70% charge, and I used it non-stop for about 7 hours to set it up and watch videos, and I was very pleasantly surprised to see that I was still left with 42% at night before sleeping. At night, the phone didn't drain any battery, and eventually after using the phone for a couple more hours in the morning, I put it to charge. It charged from 37% to 90% in about 40 minutes. The phone and the charger heat up quite a bit during the charging process, wherein the phone's body measured at about 38.7 degrees and charger at about 42.3 degrees. I will keep an eye out on this and report back in the detailed review later. The screen is super bright, especially for daytime use, and the phone does not heat up too much even if you're shooting videos. The screen did not necessarily feel it was any better or worse than a regular 60Hz screen, but I think I need to experience the phone a bit more to have a definitive opinion on this. The phone's camera captures colors quite accurately, and the photos and videos don't look overtly processed on the phone. The built-in zoom is seamless even when shooting videos, and the camera goes from wide angle to all the way zoomed in. All the cameras are color matched as well for consistency. All the photos and videos I have included in this first impression review are absolutely untouched. So basically what you see on the screen is more or less what you get. That's all I have for you today. Like I mentioned before, I will also be doing an in-depth review of this phone in the near future, so keep an eye out. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.